All right, YouTube. Today we got the airlift kit came in today for the Cadillac, so we can fix this tire rubbing issue without modifying the ride height all the time. These are like helper spring style airbags, so they should, I'm hoping to lift it up a little bit, make it a little stiffer. But they came in today. That's the universal part number. When I measured at the last video, you've seen how I measured all that. Let's see. Actually pretty small. So come with the spacers, come with some thin ones. Let me get a measurement. So they're like 1/4 inch. Come with 2 1/4 inch spacers for it. 2 1/2 inch spacers with no holes in them. Some of them show holes in them. Don't know. They might be for a different option. Come with a bunch of actually pretty flexible airline. Other stuff I've used before has been stiff. Comes with some zip ties and air fittings. You know, it's the straighter valve right there. Little clamps. And it comes with these, I consider heat shields. I guess if your bags or springs are in your exhaust, it comes with the heat shield and clamps. Of course, a sticker and instructions. There's the part number. Here's the bags I got. Let's see what these things actually measure. Yes, they actually measure like 6 3/4 from top to bottom. So I guess they're considering when you add, when you add these spacers into it. Because when I ordered them, they were 7 3/4. So that's a little different. And the width is looking like 3 1/4. So that's why they want you to use that online system, because obviously they measure it a little bit different than what the actual bag measures to fit everything in for room. So let's go down there and put them in the car, see if everything works out. We had up there earlier, had all this fittings in it. I got it here on the table, everything that comes with it. Some zip ties, there's your Schrader valve, caps, little clamps. It does come with the T, which some of them don't, I guess, because you can only use one of these. But it's all that. All right, so now we got hooked up here to the truck. We got hooked to the PCV system. We got this hose coming off, and we're gonna hook up. Oh, let me get you set up here. So we're gonna try to suck these things in. All right, go ahead. finished up now. Both sides are done. We got both the spaces are in the bottom. We got a little soapy water next, so we just check for leaks. But both sides are done. Like I said, we got them running back here to the little tail section back here. This worked out really good. We're gonna do some riding around and see if they rub, and we're gonna adjust them, and I'll get back to you about adjusting ride height with this. So. Yeah, so we did in and out of the air pressure on these things, and it changed about maybe like 1/4 inch at the most, more likely like 1/8 inch up and down. I measured, you know, from here to the ground, and both sides pretty much didn't change a whole lot. Definitely changed ride quality, a little bit stiffer, definitely handles a lot better. It don't rub like I want. That's what the main problem was. I was trying to fix that. So seems to work out pretty good for that. But as always, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.